Paisa Vasool projector for only 2000 rupees? What? Today's video is gonna be like super interesting because I have like a crazy gadget in the house. Now everybody would like to have a projector at their home, right? Like come on, who doesn't want to have like a mini cinema theater at their home? But thing is, not everybody can actually afford it because projectors can be expensive at times. But today I actually have like a very affordable sort of LED projector and it costs only around like 2000 rupees. I actually came across this product on Banggood website and I ordered it for only like 1950 rupees. Right now it's somewhere around like 2100 or maybe like 2150 something. So it actually arrived. It took me around like 2 weeks, 14-15 days laga to ship from China to all the way up to India, but finally received it and today we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly first show you the packaging and talk about the product. So guys, this is that affordable projector I was talking about from Banggood. Came in this sort of box packaging. So on the box packaging it says Rotundity Mini LED projector, but on the website it was shown as Beiki VP2. Anyways, I'm actually concerned about the product, not the name. There is nothing much mentioned over here. It's a simple LED projector, 320p resolution and supports up to 1080p video playback as well. We'll definitely be talking about all the specs and features in a moment. First, let's get started with the unboxing. Packaging seems very simple, came safely delivered to India. As soon as you open it, at the top we have some paper, basically like all the instructions on how to use the product, like a user manual, guys. Make sure to read that. And this must be your remote control. Okay, very old school looking, but definitely works. I believe you got all the functions on it. And lastly, this is the projector I was talking about, guys. Beiki VP2 mini LED projector. And holy moly, this is actually super small in size. I was not expecting that. And lastly, you get a micro USB cable for powering it up. That's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the projector and talk about the design, guys. First of all, I have to say this is a super small and compact projector for this price point. Main benefit is portability, guys. You can easily carry it anywhere in your backpack. On the front you have the lens element and beside that you have a slide switch, right? Using this you can manually adjust the focus. And that is pretty much it. Going to the back, here you have some vents, must be for air circulation to keep it running cool. You've got some connectivity ports as well, like a 3.5mm headphone jack is there, a micro USB port to power it up. Basically you can run this thing even on a power bank. And lastly, a USB port to connect some storage devices like pen drives. Going to the top, here we have some media control buttons. You've got a power button at the center, followed by input source select is there, menu up and down navigation is available, OK button, and lastly a back button is also available. And going to the bottom, here you have a 1/4" thread as well, so you can easily fix it onto monopods, tripods and stuff like that, and also a rubber foot pad on all the corners. So that's it, our complete overview on the design. Build quality also seems pretty decent for this price point, guys. Entirely made of polycarbonate material. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up and show you the basic home screen menu and all of that, and continue this video. Setting it up is like very simple, guys. There is nothing you need to do. Simply plug and play sort of stuff. And talking about usability, I mean, look at the size of this thing. I've told you, right? Super small and compact. And it's only around like 200 grams. So you can easily throw it in your handbag or maybe like backpack. And especially if you're going on like family trips, vacation, picnic, there it'll be like super fun and entertaining, guys. And this thing, best part about this product is it runs on a power bank also. Minimum requirements is simply connected to like a 5V 2A source and that's it. Connect it to your mobile chargers or a power bank and you can enjoy movies in a cinema like projection anywhere on the go. That's the best part about this product. So first of all, let me like show you how the home screen on it looks like. I've told you, right, this is like a very simple affordable projector, so do not expect Android, smart, Wi-Fi, nothing is available like that over here. So here's how the home screen on it looks like. Simple, clear cut, very easy to use. Anybody can use it. On the home screen only you have like direct shortcuts for different things. You can access music, videos, pictures, everything in like one step. So basically all you need to do is simply connect like a pen drive or any sort of storage device over here and that's it. You can easily access them from the home screen itself. And yes, this projector also has a couple of general settings as well where you can actually adjust the picture quality settings as well, like brightness level, contrast, saturation and stuff like that. So yes, a little bit of tuning is possible on this model. Anyway, so before we actually talk about the picture quality and built-in speaker quality, let me tell tell you about the remote as well. You're getting a very simple compact remote, and it's not a Bluetooth remote, guys. It's a very normal IR remote. So always you'll need to show that remote to the projector, then only it will take your input. So that is a bit of bummer, I'd say, but again, for this price point you cannot complain much. And by the way, I haven't told you the specs of this projector, right? It's a 320p projector. Native resolution is 320 by 180, but good thing is it does support 1080p resolution video playback using pen drives, guys. So that's a plus point. And if you talk about the overall lumens, it's got around like 350 to 400 lumens brightness. We'll talk about the picture quality in a moment. So before we get there, I'll just quickly play some video demos over here using my pen drive. So just have a look at them. Listen to the audio quality also of the built-in speaker. Then we'll get back and continue my review.
Have arrived over here, but what exactly was your old PC? I don't remember the configuration.
I guess it was some 20 series GPU one.
I think I gave her like a 2060 Super gaming PC long back. What I'll be building in this video for her now is gonna blow your mind, because this will be like a huge leap in terms of performance, especially coming from a 2060 Super GPU. Gaming benchmarks to fully show you the potential of this configuration. As I told you at the beginning of this video, we will be testing it with all NVIDIA technologies turned on and off, like ray tracing, DLSS, reflex and stuff like that.
So before I share my thoughts and feedback on this model, first of all, keep in mind that it's a very affordable category budget projector, and do not compare it with like premium or mid-range kind of projectors also. I mean, costs only around like 2000 rupees. In India, you will not get any sort of projector for this price point. The cheapest projector I've seen on Amazon or Flipkart is somewhere around like 3000, 3500. So for this price point, getting something like this is itself great. Now, if you talk about the usability, brand on the website mentions that this projector can give a size of up to like 14 inches to all the way up to 100 inches. I've been testing it for quite some time, right? And the optimal image quality I was getting during my testing was around 45 to 55 inches. I mean, yes, you can go up to like 80 inches, 100 inches also, it is possible. But since it's like a low resolution projector, only 320p, right? Native resolution is 320 into 180. If you go beyond 55 inches, picture looks a bit, pixelated. I mean, you can actually see the pixels over here. Up to 45-50 inches, it was fine. See, basically, main idea of this mini LED projector was made for like fun sort of stuff. If you wanted to watch like a cinema at a small size, maybe around like 40 inches, 45 inches from a small distance, for that sort of applications and usages, this is actually decent, guys. But if you want to use it like a pro sort of stuff, you want to experience like big cinema level stuff at low price, no, it is not made for that. It will actually look a bit pixelated at large sizes. What pixelated? You can actually see pixels over here because of low resolution. Faces are recognizable, objects are also recognizable. If you look at text or something like that, right, it's not that crisp and clear, guys, and a bit unclear, I would say. Overall contrast levels were decent, and if you talk about the colors also, colors were surprisingly decent for this price point. Color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were on point. And coming to the brightness was also something you'll have to keep in mind, guys. So the brand on the website mentions that it's got around like 150 ANSI lumens. If you convert that, right, roughly you can expect around like 350 to 400 lumens of brightness on this particular model. So it is not that visible in like bright outdoor situations. If you want to get like best possible results, I would advise you to use it in like total darkness, or maybe like cover all the windows with curtains or close all your doors and use it in like total darkness to get best possible results. And one more crazy thing is it actually has like a built-in speaker as well. It comes with a 2-watt built-in speaker and is like very similar to a small Bluetooth speaker, guys. And audio quality was like pretty decent, I would say. Vocal clarity was good. Dialogues were actually audible, I would say. And output was also like decent, guys. So it's like a total entertainment package in a small form factor. Enough for like picnic, or maybe like, if you want to enjoy movies in your balcony, or maybe like you want to watch cinema at your rooftops or terrace, right? It'll get your job done. Well, that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video, guys. Super affordable compact projector at a very reasonable price. What do you people think about this product? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Apart from this, I've also ordered a couple of other projectors as well at different price segments. What sort of budget range are you looking at? Let me know your thoughts, and maybe I'll try to get them and make videos for you. I'll share like different sort of videos, guys. You can actually compare all of these and choose the best one for yourself. Anyways, as I've told you, this particular model is available on Banggood website. I'll leave links for that in the description box below. So that's it, time to wrap it up. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.